Tonight, a dangerous new drug is emerging in central Indiana, and it's one that's only supposed to be used by veterinarians. But one local coroner says that's not the case. Tonight, he has a strong warning about the deadly new trend of xylazine. Fox 59's Scarlett O'Hara has details.
According to the CDC, a dangerous non-opioid sedative called xylazine has infiltrated illegal drug supplies across the country, and it's now being linked to some overdose deaths right here in Indiana. Xylazine is intended for use by veterinarians to relax animals. When taken by a human, it can lead to difficulty breathing, slow heart rate, and in 2 Blackford County cases, death.
I think we will see an uptick in xylazine being present in our drug toxicology reports after death.
Blackford County Coroner Zach Crouch says the county saw its second overdose death linked to the drug in early November. The first happened in January 2023. In both cases, he says, the lethal doses were taken while doing heroin that was cut with both fentanyl and xylazine.
Your dealer is not your friend, no matter if it's your cousin or the guy down the street. The dealer is not your friend. Seek help.
Crouch has been warning his community about the drug, which cannot be reversed by naloxone, the DEA calling it a widespread public safety threat. Only this year was xylazine listed as a controlled substance in Indiana after a new law criminalized possession by those without a permissible reason, like veterinarians. But State Representative Victoria Garcia Wilburn, who co-authored that bill, says there's still work to be done.
I really still believe that one of the missing pieces to this complex problem that we have in overdoses in our state is to continue to encourage the distribution of test strips.
While the number of fatal drug overdoses has fallen in recent years, officials say education is crucial in preventing more.
I know that there's going to be good work done across the aisle to make sure that there are no barriers to test strips in our state, but really that is the most evidence-based harm reduction approach to serving people that are needing to reach recovery.
If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, you can find resources by calling 211. In the newsroom, Scarlett O'Hara, Fox 59 News.